was thinking today that after all these years I'm still in love with the sound of this box, an acoustic guitar, and I really like just the sound of the wood, you know, and the pick, and nothing added, no loops or effects. I'm not a huge fan of reverb or delay, all those things. I just like and I enjoy so much the pure sound of this box here. And so I don't know, maybe you feel the same. And I also love to be able to play a song all by myself, and I want it to sound full, not an exercise. And if you want, I put together a free video lesson and that you can download for free, and you can find the link in the description. And I hope just to get you started. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.